Here we have some of the air conditioners at my church. They're all Trane XB13s and Odysseys. Let's see here. The first one over here is a heat pump, and it's an XB13. The model number is 2TWA342A3000AA. Serial number is 9082RR82F. It's made in 2009. Here we have another heat pump. It's currently running. Right there, it says Trane. The model number is 2TWA3048A3008. Model number is 2TWA3008A3000AA. Serial number is 9094NLT4F. It was also made in 2009. Here's another Trane XB13. This one is a straight cool unit. The model number is 2TT-A306A3000AA. Serial number is 9081NMJ4F. It was made in 2009. And here we have the first. Now here we have a Trane Odyssey unit. It's currently off. It's this smaller unit. It has one compressor. The model number is TTA090A300F. Serial number is 9102NRT80. It's made in 2009. Here we have yet another Trane Odyssey. It's currently off. The model number is TTA090A300FA. Serial number is 9102K4L80. It is made in 2009. Like I said, it's currently off. It's also another small unit. It's got one compressor. Now here we have, and the reason why I say these are small is because we have some units, some Trane Odysseys at our church that have two compressors inside of them instead of just one. Now here we have another Trane XB13. It's currently off, and I believe this is also a straight cool unit. Yeah, it's a straight cool unit. The model number is 2TTA306A3000AA. Serial number is 9081M454F. It's made in 2009. Now here we have yet another Trane Odyssey. It's currently running. It's quite loud, along with this one there. It's also running. Focus. Yeah, focus. And the model number is TTA090A300FA. Serial number is 9102NRX80. It's made in 2009. Now here's the last Trane Odyssey, and it's also the last air conditioner I'm going to be doing. It's currently running, as you can see. Quite loud. Focus. There we go. But the model number is TTA090A300FA. The serial number is 9102NR980. It's made in 2009. Yeah, that's about. But yeah, these two Odysseys are the Odysseys right here are currently running. Focus. Thank you. And down here, there's a Trane XB13 that's XB13 heat pump that's currently running. So yeah, some of the air conditioners at my church, ranging from heat pumps like the one in the foreground to straight cleans like the one further back. and 3 of them are currently running. 1 heat pump and 2 straight cool units. Both heat pumps here are XB13s. Oh, there's a few more around the church, but you have to find them. And the rest at this location that I'm currently videoing them are straight cool units. All the Odysseys are straight cool units, and 2 of the other XB13s are straight cool units. Over and out.